used to have was this gas stoves. They were not sure when this gas was getting empty. Said, where is the, is not going to any reserve this. So, in other words, they were not knowing when this gas cylinder is going to become empty, and when it becomes empty, immediately it has to be replaced with a new cylinder. They were not very confident that this new cylinder would come immediately from this foreign oil, from this Suryodaya. Then there was this thing. What is the other type of problem? This gas cylinder has to be fitted by a person from this company, and he has to enter the kitchen. Many sections of the users, they were not willing at that point of time, kindly appreciate, allow any stranger into their kitchen. They did not want these strangers to come into their kitchen. So faced with all these problems, it is a gas stove demanding constant attention. Then for some of these user segments, they were not very happy with this rubber being used in the gas stove. Some of the orthodox sections. It was a challenge for this Ramchandran how to make this product become acceptable in this market. So it was a cost of the product, cost of usage of the product, and the product itself. Now this case gives you a wonderful idea of how this gas cylinder, when it was introduced in the 50s, what were the types of shortcomings which people felt was in this new product. Given this is a new product, how should a company go about accelerating the diffusion of this product and also acceptance of the same? So how does a company do that? This gentleman Ramchandran was in this unenviable position of making this happen in the Udyan Nagar market. Being in a marketing function, the other important aspect was, given the scenario, what type of communication he would use. Would you communicate with your prospective users? In other words, you had a kitchen in the Sagadi, it used to give a lot of smokes and fumes. Then he put a local insertion ad in the newspapers, local newspapers, saying that by making use of this gas stove, you will have a very clean kitchen.